Want to make international calls with Red Pocket? It's straightforward. First, you'll need to purchase ILD International Long Distance Credits. To dial, use the US exit code +1, followed by the country code, area code, and local number. For example, to call the UK, dial 44, then the UK number. Rates vary. Expect to pay around $0.10 per minute to Canada or Mexico, 20 cents per minute to the UK or France, and $50 per minute to India or China as of September 2025. These rates are per minute and billed in 1-minute increments. ILD credits are prepaid bundles bought via the Red Pocket app or website and typically expire after 1 year. Without ILD credits, international calls can be very expensive, so make sure you have them before calling. ILD credits are key to affordable international calls on Red Pocket. These are prepaid bundles you can purchase through the Red Pocket app or website, offering set minutes for calls to specific countries. But here's a tip to save even more. Use Wi-Fi calling. Enable it in your phone's settings, and when connected to Wi-Fi, your calls will use data instead of cellular minutes, potentially bypassing the need for ILD credits altogether. This is especially useful for longer conversations. Red Pocket users are increasingly adopting Wi-Fi calling with a 15% increase in usage in 2025. Combining ILD credits with Wi-Fi calling is the smartest way to stay connected internationally without breaking the bank.